Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kraken app to fund your account and trade step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Kraken website at www.kraken.com. Once the website loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner and click on it. Fill out the registration form with your email address, desired username, and a strong password. Make sure to agree to the terms of service before clicking on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Kraken. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Kraken website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be prompted to complete your identity verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload the required documents, such as a photo ID and proof of residence. After submitting your verification documents, wait for Kraken to review and approve your account. Once your verification is complete, you can proceed to fund your account. Navigate to the Funding tab on the main dashboard. Select the currency you wish to deposit from the list provided. Each currency will have specific instructions. Follow them carefully to ensure a successful deposit. If depositing fiat currency, choose your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or credit card. Complete the required fields with your payment details and submit the deposit request. Wait for the transaction to process. This may take time depending on the payment method. Once your funds are available in your account, you can begin trading. Go to the Trade tab to view available trading pairs. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy or sell. Review the market details and choose between a market or limit order. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade and confirm your order. Monitor your trades and account balance through the dashboard. You are now ready to start trading on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.